Our theme this season at Unity is Dancing with Life. Well, that sounds good. Yet our dance partner has been stepping on a lot of toes lately. Our world is going through tremendous change. There's violence in the news at all scales. And then there's climate change showing up in these ferocious storms. And even if we're not directly impacted by it, we might know someone who is. And even if not, we see these images of loss and devastation, which is also impactful and making us wonder, what's next? So, what are we to do in the face of all this? How do we apply spiritual principles in a world that seems so turbulent? How do I find a space of peace in a world that appears to be falling apart? Join us this Sunday, and we'll explore some of what we can do. Thank you.